Alright, so we got fire.
Hey everybody, welcome to winter, what is this, 2018? December 8th, I think. Don't really keep track of those things. Looks nice, eh? We've had fog, ice fog for like the last week or two, something like that. It does make things look nice and pretty. Finally got the machine mostly sorted out. I think I only put about 25 or 30K on it today, but I've put quite a few hours on it the last week here. Seems to be mostly working all right. I'm sure some of it's operator error with the choke and things like that, but yeah. So I'm just doing a little quick shakedown here at the tent just to make sure things are good to go. Hoping to spend the night here tonight. I'm gonna go back into town, do a Christmas banquet at our church. Not that that's a bad thing, just sounds like it if I'm gonna do something, but looking forward to that. And then load up the toboggan. Oh yes, we got a toboggan. And then head back out in here. Hopefully it's my first time taking the machine up here. I've hiked and skied in on this side back in my normal stomping grounds, and I've skied back out this way, but to V Lake, not to town, going across the other way. So yeah, I had a blast coming in. Show everybody what it looks like here. So there's the old 2012 Scandic. Travel kind of light, I was just scooting today, so I've got my regular rucksack full of kit and some extra gas. That's topped up. I've got some extra fuel and parts and tools and all that good stuff. Some ravens going. Yeah, that's what the temperature is. So I was the first one breaking trail up here, which is nice. I was like making first tracks. What's this old thing say? Is it even working? Oop. Do-do-do. What have we got there? Oh, it's only minus 10 according to this. It says AccuTemp, so it better be accurate. Breaking stuff here. Yeah, there's Banting Lake. Sweetness. A lot of pretty trees. Pretty sure I just heard a grouse or a ptarmigan here somewhere. Oh well. I didn't bring my gun today. Like I say, I was traveling late and I just wanted to get out here, cook up some beans, get the stove going. And yeah, just do a quick little shakedown, make sure I could even get here is a big thing. Should have really used a map and a compass or GPS or something, but well, I got here. As long as you know where you're at, where you're going, you should be able to get there, I figure. There's the stovepipe. Nothing on there, that's good. Got the outdoor plumbing down there, which may or may not be frozen. Sure is pretty, eh? I hear raven now too. Mostly birds out here. I saw some moose tracks close to town on the way in, but yeah, nothing out here. I think I'll be making more use of my wolf tag than my moose tag this year. But oh well. I'm going to go inside here, get a few things set up, and I'll catch back up with you folks here in a minute, okay? Wood stove. Call it great wood stove. Well, you might be inclined to ask what's new. I know it's been a while since the channel's really had anything uploaded on it. But I've been pretty busy with work. I was up in the high Arctic there for a while, in a couple different locations working as a wildlife monitor. I guess in the States and Alaska, you guys call it bear guard or bear monitor or something like that. Same idea. And I've been instructing quite a bit, so I've been into a lot of the indigenous communities up here traveling around. Usually a week at a time, maybe it's a little longer if you've got to travel on the weekends. So I haven't had as much time to devote to the channel as I'd like to. I've been trying to get the snowmobile going. Now that's good to go, hopefully. Just need a couple of panels for it. And didn't really get much moose hunting in yet this year, but hopefully maybe now with the machine I'll be able to scoot around some of the bays and islands and see if I can't find me a moose. But yeah, work's been pretty busy, but it's been good. I've been enjoying my job. Get to learn quite a few things. I just got back from training. I had to go down to Edmonton for 3 nights. The beginning of this week, last weekend, early this week. So I've been around, but I've been busy. So hopefully things settle back into a pretty good routine here and have some more stuff on the channel. Kind of thinking about getting a flintlock rifle. I'm kind of thinking about getting a few other things too. I still want a 45-70 lever gun. I'd still like to have a dedicated bird gun, so I'd like to have a side-by-side 12 gauge would be nice, really. Get myself a fowling piece. Yeah, just been pretty busy. Barbara's been doing good. Can't complain, really. Not that stops me from doing it, but shouldn't complain, we'll put it that way. Yeah, just kind of suss this out, get some grub on the go here, and see what comes up. Oh yeah. I wouldn't call this bear smart campsite. I haven't seen too much bear sign. That's just all the snow coming off the roof. Haven't seen too much bear sign down this neck of the woods, but maybe about 10 kilometers. Maybe northeast of here, I guess. I was seeing them there a fair bit. Now, let's see. I gotta get used to wearing these bibs too. I'm not usually a snow pant kind of guy, so I'm gonna kind of reorganize my pockets here, how I do things. But if you're out in the bush, might as well have some beans, eh? Make sure we wipe all the germs off with our dirty sleeve. Oh yeah. Won't take long to warm those up on the stove. Oh, they're not even frozen yet. Look at that. There's the mother load. I was hoping to have some pilot biscuits, but I packed in a hurry and kind of under duress. It's really hard to get dressed and get ready to go, and your kit's everywhere, and you don't have a place to hang all your gear and stuff. It's been kind of I don't want to say a stumbling point, but it's definitely been getting on my nerves. But the only way you can mitigate that is to buy a house. I just bought a truck. Oh yeah, maybe that's some more news for you. Bought a 2016 Ram here a couple of months ago. Outdoorsman edition. It's a nice little truck. Seems to pull the boat all right, so can't complain about that. Now I hear my whiskey jack friends. They're cute little birds. I like them. Let that work its way down. Here's the view outside. Definitely pretty up here. Oh yeah, they're bubbling. That's beans. Well, that's probably all I gotta say. The battery's just about dead on that thing. Good old iPhone strikes again. I think I've got an inverter somewhere. It means at least I can charge it up on the machine when I'm going. But I should get one of them battery pack bank things too. I don't know, figure something out. It's a little hard to shoot video in the cold if you only get 8 to 10 minutes at a time. Who knows? But anywho, may or may not be out here tonight, and I may or may not make a video of that, but that's the way things are going. Barbara and I are spending Christmas out here, which should be good. So, yeah. Till next time from the Northwest Territories, you guys take care. We'll see you again. Bon appetit.